This video I am going to tell you when to replace the car tire. This tire full worn out because 49,000 km run this car. The car tire number is 205 and 65 or 16 and 95H. Whenever you replace the car tire, the same car tire number you have to replace your car. Now I can check the tire depth. This is some point is there. This is the depth gauge. So I check the depth, how many is here. So correctly is the 1 is here. So when you car tire get the 1.6 so replace the tire. This is the new tire. Now I check the how many is here. This is 6 yeah, correctly. Now I show you. This is correctly 6 is here. This is new tire. The new tire has 6 This is old tire. This number 205 and 65 or 1695H. Trade were 480 and traction A and temperature A. The same number is, this is the new tire 205, 65 or 16 and 95H and trade were 480 and traction A and temperature also A. This is the new tire, same number. This is tire exchange machine. This is very danger machine. Now I can remove the old tire. This machine only handled for only experienced person only, because of some very danger machine also. Some compound also is damaged, so that's why it's experience we only do. Now I can replace the new tire. This is the new tire. I put it the alloy wheel. This machine is very danger and very critical to operate. Something to happen, the tire will be damaged or so that's why I said it's very danger machine. And I wanted to tell you something about the tire. Which company tire you want? Like MRF tire is there and JK tire is there and Goodyear is also here. So many companies available in India, but which same number you will have to buy the tire. So that's all. Now I replace the new tire so I can refix the car.